How to check for updates in Windows 10 for your Windows 10 operating system. So from the desktop, locate the taskbar, and then from there locate the Windows icon or Start icon. Give it a right click with your mouse, and then from the menu that pops up, go ahead and click on the Settings option. So the Windows Settings window will appear. Go ahead and scroll all the way to the bottom, and you'll notice there's an Update and Security option. Go ahead and click on that. And then the menu that will open up on the right hand side here, which is highlighting from the Windows Update tab, will be telling you your current system status and whether or not you need to check for updates. So as we can see here, it says you are up to date, last checked 2 days ago at 9:08 in the morning. So if we go ahead and hit check for updates right now, see if there are any updates available. Then you can also in here pause updates for 7 days if you don't want to update your machine, change your active hours so when updates may get applied, view your update history, and some advanced options, stuff like that. So we'll give it a sec here to check for updates. Please make sure that you know to be connected to the internet when checking for updates. And it looks like our system here has found one, security intelligence update for Windows Defender antivirus. So that's how you check for updates, and it looks like it went ahead and applied it already, so we are good to go. And as you see now, it says last check today at 12:49 p.m. So that is how you check for updates in Windows 10 for Windows.